First, thanks for your interest in the Landscape Index. This video is an introduction to the functions that retrieve data about the landscape scale projects on national forests. You've already seen the horizontal bar of the video introduction, so I'll move on to the national map. Each of the dots on the map is the location of a proposed landscape restoration project. You can click on any one of them and it will tell you a little bit of information about it, the forest, the name of the project, and then a progress report, the date of the notice of intent. If a draft EIS has been completed, it has a date, and then the final EIS and a record of decision. In addition, there's a link at the bottom. This will take you to the project details, the web page from the Forest Service that lists the documents produced to date for the project. In addition to selecting the individual points, the map is interactive. You can change the scale by either the scale bar on the left or by double-clicking on the map. And then you'll notice also that if you want to change from a map to a satellite background, you can make that change in the upper right-hand corner. And if you switch back to the map, there is an option to show the terrain as it is displayed currently. If you change that, it's essentially just a two-dimensional map of the projects. When you're done with the map, you can click on the heading and it collapses back, and you'll see the next horizontal bars of the prospectus. This is a library of all the notices of intent that have been published in the Federal Register, and it lists them, but it also has a handy search tool. And for example, if you were interested in just notices that affected one forest, you can type in the forest name, Black Hills National Forest in this example, and it retrieves the notices for that forest. Or if you have a specific project name that you're looking for, you can type in the project. Over on the right, the download link will retrieve the notice from the Federal Register. The notice will describe the project. Often it has a brief description of the proposed action and information about further contacts. The other type of search that you can execute is a date search. So if you're looking for a certain time period, say the current fiscal year, you can enter a range of dates, and I'll use October 1st, 2011, the end of the fiscal year. And now it's retrieved all of the notices within that time period. In addition, there are icons on the blue bar here that will let you sort by name or sort by date in ascending or descending order. The database will be updated as needed. As notices are published in the Federal Register, they will be added both to the map database and to the database of the notices themselves. Thank you very much.